What about you?
It depends. In India, we don't have anything like that, but here, yeah, they're fine with everything. But when you see someone from another place, everyone will be like, "Oh my God, who's that? Who's this?"
We're interested.
Yeah,
we're interested.
It's curiosity.
It's curiosity.
You're not accustomed to seeing people from a different country. Like same goes for India. If someone who's a different skin color, you're Caucasians, you come to India. If you stand, people will be staring at you, or at least understand English. So when it comes to day-to-day interactions, I'm okay. But if I'm gonna be a doctor, I need to know how to talk to my patients. So that's why Serbian is more important that way.